Hi everyone, it's Andrea here. So today I'm gonna do an unboxing video on this actually a luxury brand, but it's just a very cheap item. So I didn't actually know this video, this trend that has been going on in YouTube, that actually you can get a cheap item from a luxury brand. So shout out to my cousin Leslie, who lives in Canada. Thank you ever so much, Leslie. Now you've just given me an idea on how to kill all the luxury brands. So anyway, I've ordered this one. Without further ado, let me just show you this one, guys. Not with my address. I've ordered a something really cheap. Well, not really cheap, something affordable from Christian Dior, and this is actually a limited edition from the Valentine's Day 2021. So I've just opened this one already, so it's not gonna be very difficult for me to do it. So let's just crack on. So I should open the box. Ta-da! There you are. You've got the Christian Dior there. And then the first item is, of course, I think this is just my message here when you order online, and you've got to write a message. So this is the one that I've got, and I'm not gonna read it for you because otherwise it will take forever. And this one right here is just a receipt, obviously, and I'm not gonna open that because it will take forever. And then the star of the show is, of course, this one right here. Look at this packaging. It is so pretty. I'm loving the pink ribbon, as you could see. This is how it looks like on the side. This is how it looks like at the back. And this is how it looks like at the front. So it's got, let's just pull the ribbon like so. So let's just pull the ribbon and open this little beauty right here. I really like the pink ribbon, and I think I can use this one in the future. So I'm just opening it right now, and dun, 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 dun. This is how it looks like. So the first item is, I've got this. Look at that. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I've got this small Dior pouch, and I think I've got, there you are. See, I've got 2 perfume sample. So when you order online, you can actually choose 2 samples. So, and I've actually chosen Miss Dior in Rose in Roses. That's the first one right there, and then the second one is the Joy Dior. So I haven't actually tried this perfume right here. That's why I thought I'm gonna have these 2 samples for me to try. And this is the pouch, so pretty, it's so cute, and I just love it. It's got the Dior logo on it. It's got a string like so, and I can actually use this one for my makeup. And then the star of the show, it's got so many like bits and bobs in there. And are you ready? This is what I've got. Dun, 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 dun. This is a limited edition nail polish from Dior. This is how it looks like. On I've been trying to get the other color, I think the red, or there was another color, but unfortunately it wasn't available, so I didn't manage to grab that color that I wanted. But other than that, it's so pretty, it's so posh, it looks elegant. This is the back, so let's just open this one right here. And oh, look at that. It's so pretty. I think this is like a pearly tone with some glitter on it as a top coat. So to open this bad boy here, you have to pull. You have to pull it. Oh my god, I can't open it. How do you open it? It's so tight. Anyway, I can't open it as yet. Oh, there you are. There you are. It's just like a traditional nail polish that you can. Oh my god, there you are, you guys. This is what I've got from Dior. I like the packaging. It's so pretty, it's so elegant, and I can't wait to rock this top coat. So yeah, so that's all about it, you guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye!